guys, Drifter ZZ here. Today we're calibrating the incline motor and the drive motor on a Sole F63 treadmill. This is easier with help, but here's my technique for doing it so. With the key out, press and hold the speed up and start buttons. While holding them down, put in the key and continue to hold the buttons. When you see factory settings, let go of the buttons. Go through your speed and incline settings, then start the calibration. As soon as the calibration starts, the treadmill takes full control of the incline system. First, you'll see the deck lower all the way down to its minimum position. It does this to establish a baseline so the console knows exactly where zero incline really is. Once it reaches the bottom limit switch, it pauses for a moment while the controller confirms the position. Next, the treadmill reverses direction and raises the incline smoothly all the way to the top. This is the machine checking the full travel range of the incline motor and verifying that the lift assembly can move freely without binding. As it climbs, the controller is measuring speed, distance, and motor feedback to make sure the incline system is responding correctly. When it reaches its maximum height, it pauses again to lock in the upper position limit. Then the treadmill lowers itself back down to level. This final pass lets the console compare the up and down travel times and make sure the incline motor is synced properly. Once the deck returns flat, the calibration is complete.